Welcome to Product Critique, the place where we dive into real-world products to help you make smart buying decisions. In this episode, we're talking about what might just be the best motorcycle saddlebags waterproof hard case available right now. The GXYWADY Universal Motorcycle Side Case. If you're a motorbike enthusiast or a touring rider looking for a durable, secure, and practical luggage solution, this one should be on your radar. Let's explore why. Right out of the box, the GXYWADY side case makes a strong first impression. Crafted from black aluminum, the build feels solid and rugged. This isn't flimsy plastic. We're talking about a side case designed to endure long journeys, rough terrains, and unpredictable weather. The aluminum exterior isn't just tough, it also adds a sleek, professional look to your motorcycle setup. With a generous 36-liter capacity, each box provides enough room to store helmets, tools, riding gear, or even groceries if you're using your bike for everyday commuting. What's included in the package? You'll receive a pair of these 36L hard cases, one for each side of your motorcycle. It also comes with support racks for proper mounting, keys for the built-in locks, and even a replacement lock cylinder. That's a level of completeness that really stands out. One feature that deserves a closer look is the integrated locking system. Both boxes come equipped with security locks, so you can safely store your items whether you're parked at a cafe or leaving your bike overnight. And let's not forget the added reflective stickers, a smart safety touch for nighttime visibility, helping other vehicles spot your ride from the rear. The installation process is straightforward. Thanks to the included support racks, fitting these saddlebags to most motorcycles is doable without needing advanced mechanical skills. That said, GXYWADY does recommend checking your motorcycle's dimensions beforehand. These boxes are universal, but ensuring a good fit is always a smart move. The handles on each box are aluminum as well and ergonomically designed. This makes it easy to carry the boxes around when you're off the bike, turning them into portable trunks for gear or groceries. Now let's talk about weather resistance. While the product doesn't claim to be 100% waterproof in extreme conditions, the aluminum casing and secure locking lid help keep your belongings safe from rain, splashes, and dust. For most weather situations and typical travel, these cases should perform reliably. We should also mention the weight. Each case weighs around 16.9 kilograms. So while they're not lightweight by any means, that heft contributes to the sturdy, protective feel. Once installed properly, they balance well and don't throw off the bike's center of gravity too much, ideal for long-distance rides or road trips. Aesthetically, these look great. The matte black aluminum blends well with most bikes, especially if you're going for that adventure touring or rugged commuter style. They don't scream for attention, but they do give your bike a serious, capable vibe. Whether you're a touring adventurer, a commuter, or someone who just wants secure and ample storage on the road, the GXYWADY 36L motorcycle side cases are worth considering. Their combination of space, security, style, and build quality ticks a lot of boxes. To wrap it up, the GXYWADY Universal Motorcycle Side Case is a solid choice for any rider looking for a reliable hard saddlebag solution. With its large capacity, durable construction, integrated security, and thoughtful safety touches, it punches above its price point. If you're interested in checking it out, you can find it on Amazon. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If this review helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more product breakdowns every week. Safe travels and ride on.